Hi there and welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, since I've been back from my solar trip, we've been working on a few things behind the scenes. We've got, basically I joined up with the 4-wheel drive club, so we've got 3 videos coming up with 4-wheel driving. We've been working on a comprehensive Gibb River Road video as well, so it'll be a start to finish all you need to know about doing a trip on the Gibb River Road. Another one will be across the Nullarbor, and then things that went wrong. We've also got something else in the pipeline for next year, but can't talk about that at the moment. So anyway, sit back and enjoy this video, and we'll see you at the end.
Sponsored by LifeTech.
This is our EnerDrive battery system in the Cross Country Extreme. So why would we take this out to replace it with a different battery? Nothing at all wrong with this system. It's a fantastic system. Let's see what we're going to do. So we're going to say goodbye to our wonderful EnerDrive BTEC batteries, 200 amp hours each. So I've got 400 amp hours of lithium, and the inverter staying in there. The board is staying as it is, but we're getting a new battery in here, or a new battery to replace these two. It'll be one battery that's from LifeTech, is 620 amp hours, and it'll be a smaller footprint than these two 200 amp hour batteries. Nothing at all wrong with the EnerDrive, but we can do better. So we're really excited to get these LifeTech 620 amp hour lithium batteries installed in our caravan. So what can we tell you about them? Well, first off, they're Aussie designed, Aussie made, come with a 10-year warranty. They've got a solid metal case. So they're also vented through the floor of your caravan, so they're compliant, meet all the regulations. We're lucky enough while we're here to get a factory tour. So I learned a little bit along the way. I'll try and run through some of that. So basically they're using high quality cells, a well-engineered battery. I learned about bus bars. So these ones have got solid bus bars, so there's little resistance, resulting in virtually no voltage drop, and means they won't overheat. They've also got the temperature probes in them, so they're set to shut the battery down if it somehow gets to 60 degrees Celsius. The battery management system, or BMS, it's got safety cutoffs for high and low voltage. You've got short circuit protection, current protection, active balancer to keep that, well, that basically keeps the cells at the same voltage. I mean, this thing is engineered, it's strong, it's not going to overheat. Also installed was a Victron shunt, so it's got Bluetooth module plus a gauge, so if your battery goes flat you can still check out what's happening with your battery. The model we've got is a BMV 712. If you're wanting to get these batteries installed, Crusader are installing these in their vans, but if you're wanting to get in touch with LifeTech, they'll point you in the right direction to an installer throughout Australia. They ship them nationwide. Okay, that's all from us today. So have fun, don't do stupid shit. See you next week. Cheers.